So this image is a Sentinel-1 image acquired over the Strait of Gibraltar. It was in February on the 14th in 2017. And it's a situation where we have the wind blowing from the east also, but light winds. And we can see that on this image there is a high density of maritime traffic, and which are organized in 2 different rails. So what we see here are the different traffic separation scheme, with traffic going in one direction and the other one whenever they pass the Gibraltar Strait. And also what we can see is several sea surface roughness modulation that we can see here that are caused by rain impacts on the sea surface. And so here we have a oil spill detection, which is already highlighted in this case. And if we add the echoes that are detected by the SAR, so this is matching mostly all the bright echoes that we have on the SAR image. And if we add also the IIS information, then we have the information about all the ships that pass through this gate, which is giving you the information of which ship is the most likely to have produced this oil spill. And we can see that this one is connected to the pollution, so he is the perfect, the perfect guilty one for this case. And also, if we are looking more precisely at the ship echo, we can see that there is a slight difference, a slight offset between the ship position and the tip of the oil spill. So this is a typical case when there is a ship traveling in range of the SAR image, and because of the speed of the ship, this is creating a shift with respect to its actual position.
Mm-hmm.